If you're a content creator, traveler, or just someone who loves capturing stunning moments, you've probably heard of the DJI Pocket series. But today, we're diving deep into the latest and greatest, the DJI Pocket 4. Whether you're an experienced creator or a beginner looking to step up your game, this video will show you exactly why the DJI Pocket 4 might just be the ultimate tool for your creative journey. Stick with me till the end, because we're going to break down everything from design to performance, features to real-world use. Imagine being able to capture smooth, professional-looking footage no matter where you are. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Picture yourself hiking up a mountain or walking through a busy street, and your footage is as steady as if you were using a high-end gimbal setup. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's the DJI Pocket 4, and in this video, we're going to see exactly how it can make that happen for you. And trust me, by the end, you'll be wondering why you didn't get one sooner. Let's start with the design. Now, first things first, the DJI Pocket 4 is a game-changer in terms of portability. It's compact, sleek, and incredibly lightweight. You can literally slip it into your pocket or bag without even noticing it's there. When you're out and about, you don't want to be carrying bulky gear that slows you down, right? The Pocket 4's compact design allows you to be ready for anything. The build quality, top-notch. It's durable, yet lightweight, giving you that perfect balance. You'll notice it's not just small, but solid, ready for any adventure you throw at it. But don't let its size fool you. The Pocket 4 is loaded with features that punch well above its weight. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the camera. The DJI Pocket 4 takes things up a notch with its improved sensor and enhanced low-light performance. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or in low-light conditions, you'll be impressed with how much detail this little camera can capture. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is sharp, and the dynamic range is stunning. You get 4K video at 60 frames per second, and that means silky smooth footage with an amazing amount of detail. If you're shooting for your YouTube channel, vlog, or even social media, the quality you're getting here is on par with professional cameras. But the best part? It's all in this tiny, portable package. You don't need a full-size DSLR to get that cinematic look. One of the biggest challenges for content creators, especially if you're shooting handheld, is keeping your footage stable. And we all know that shaky footage can ruin a great shot. This is where the DJI Pocket 4's 3-axis stabilization comes into play. Whether you're walking, running, or just moving around, the Pocket 4 will keep your shots smooth and stable. It's like having a built-in gimbal, but in a pocket-sized device. The stabilization is so good that you can even walk at a fast pace without worrying about the footage turning into a shaky mess. You might be amazed by how steady your shots look, and trust me, your audience will be too. Let's talk about the features. The DJI Pocket 4 isn't just a camera, it's a full-fledged creative tool. It's equipped with intelligent shooting modes like Active Track, where the camera follows your subject as they move. Whether it's tracking a person or an object, Active Track does the job seamlessly. And that's just the beginning. You've got motion lapse, hyperlapse, panorama shots, and even a pro mode where you can tweak the settings just like you would on a full-size camera. One of the coolest features is the time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. Imagine being able to